First, head over to Loras.dev website and enter your image prompt in the box. This is where you tell the system what kind of image you want to generate. If you don't know how to write prompt, then you can copy it from this website. To move forward, let's select the Midjourney option. Clicking Generate Image, and now, we wait for the image generation process to be complete. When the image generation is complete, I can download it by simply clicking on the Download button. Now let's try something different. If you want to create a logo, choose the Logo option. Type in your prompt, and hit Generate Image. Wait a bit, and your custom logo will be ready to download. Moreover, I can also create the icons. It's just as easy, simply pick the Icons option, enter your prompt, and generate your icon. That's it. You've just learned how to create images, logos, and icons on Loras.dev. Experiment with different prompts and styles, see what you can create.